Welcome back, everybody. Today we're doing episode 4, and as usual, we're going to be focusing on completing the objective. Only that today I did a little pre gaming and I already have the store ready. So I'm going to open the store, turn on my lights. Wait, they were on. Okay, that was a bit of a glitch right there. And I'm ready to complete the objective. So go over to the computer or desktop, whatever you want to call it, or monitor, and go over to management, customization. And as you can see, in order to name the store, you're going to have the amount of $250. Since I did a little pre-gaming and pre-stocking, I already have the money. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase that. The name of my store is going to be Amy Frost Market. And there you have it, guys. Let's change the size a bit. Yeah. And also the color. So, okay, I like that. Oh wait, let me see this. Can I change it? What? No. Yes. See if I can change it. Yes. See? Everything is adding up. I think I like it in the mid of black, white, and greenish. Alright, there we go. That's gonna be it for me. And as you can see, the objective is completed. Now the new objective is for me to purchase a paint from market and paint 8 walls. So before I get started, I'm gonna go to market, paint. I will want, wait, I gotta be particular about this because this paint and this paint are not the same, but they look the same. I want the whitest one, and so I'm going to go with this one. I don't have enough money, but I put it in the cart. I need $75, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Oh my lord! As you can see, my store is becoming famous. Just kidding. It's just busy because I neglected my customers. Don't worry, guys. You got a super cashier here. I'll be done and over with you guys soon. Okay. Space. Oh my god. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I cannot wait until I can hire somebody. Hello, sir. How you doing? Well, welcome to Amy Frost Market. Couldn't be more happy. Not to name my store. Oh no. Is that a dirty diaper? What in the? Nah, this gotta go. Yeah, all gotta wait. I don't care. We don't do garbage in this shop. Absolutely not. No, 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 no. No neglect around here. Oh my goodness. Why are they trying me? Why? Oh my goodness. No. Stop making a mess of my store. If I could charge you that, I would. 13. Oh, come on. Now let's see if I can do this real fast. That was slow. That was really slow. 38. Ooh, okay, getting better. I guess the problem here is that I am a righty instead of a lefty. And since I'm not a gamer, none of my gear is adequate. Anyways, in the meanwhile, while we're over here stuck on the register, how about we do some Spanish lesson? Because as I mentioned before, this might be a short episode, maybe the shortest I've done so far. So if we do a recap, and you, whoever is watching this, if we do a recap, register. Does anybody know what register is? How register is pronounced in Spanish? Registradora. Yes. Just don't say it like I did just now, because you will sound like a complete gringo. And of course, we don't want that. The only reason why I sound like that is because I genuinely find it difficult to say registradora. That is the right pronunciation right there. Registradora. Oh, I gave her 2 cents more. So God bless you, woman. You got 2 cents extra. Yeah, I literally spent the whole day in the register. So what about credit card? I think everybody will know what credit card is in Spanish. Tarjeta de crédito. Por favor, dame tu señor. So I'll be here in the cash rate. Will you like cash or credit? Oh, credit. I'm saying. Dinero o crédito. Tarjeta de crédito. Muchas gracias. $33 con 58 centavos. Buen día, bye bye. Hola, ¿cómo está? Sí. Espero que encontró todo muy bien. This is $30 con 39 centavos. And then I'll flip it. This guy don't know Spanish, so I'll be like, hello, sir. Have a good day. Goodbye. If you're in Georgia, if you've been to Georgia, if you live in Georgia, if you're from Georgia, I traveled there, and I was a bit like, I had to get used to the fact that everybody would be like, hello, ma'am, how you doing? Okay, I see you got cash. Yeah, they would be like, ma'am. And I actually don't like that. Because if I'm 20 years old, why are you calling me ma'am? That makes me feel old. But we get used to it because that's just how they do things over there. Ooh, I missed that. Oh man, I got stuck on the cashier job, and I forgot to order the paint before the market closed. So I'm gonna have to end this day in order to purchase it. Okay, let's do a quick cleanup. I'm gonna be quiet for this part because I need to focus. Hope you don't mind some silence. You know, there was a time that I worked. Oh, I thought it was the boom out. You don't want to do that. But yeah, there was a time that I worked at a laundry, and I think the time that I enjoyed the most about it was in the night, where I get to broom and mop. Like the silence that I used to hear at the time was like a bit magical. So sometimes it's the least expected things that create an unforgettable memory, because the job itself was a bit of a nightmare. It was hard. And I think the reason why it was hard is just because of the people that used to go to the establishment. You know, you will be surprised how impolite people can be, how rude people can be, and how unnecessary most of the action taken by individuals is. And that's just what happened with me. I wanted to have an experience, and that's why the main reason why I did it was because of that. And I surely did have an experience, and I also learned a couple things. All right, so let me do the pricings before I forget. That's fine. Okay, but there was a portion of my life where I was very intrigued by everything. Of course, you know, eventually you become over a lot of those uh, intriguing things that you feel like you want to do. But anyways, guys, nonetheless, I am here. I am about to complete this objective. I'm going to purchase the paint because I got enough money. Look at that. That looks beautiful. So let's purchase that. And now I have to paint a section of the wall, to be precise, 8. So I could safely assume that the bucket brings 8. And there you have it. The objective is completed. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the new objective, which is to buy a tablet from the market. I have all ability to do that, but I am not going to. I'm going to end the episode here, and I'll see you on episode 5, and then we'll buy the tablet. For now guys, thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to see you again. Bye bye.